Markets in 3 minutes. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to fxstrategies.asia right after the interview with Jim Rogers, the one and only Jim Rogers. But back to the charts and let's start now with what potentially goes. It's oil, and oil is burning hot. Oil prices have been rising. What do we see? In the charts, we see a kind of ascending channel. Is that gonna rise, or is that gonna cause the market to rise further? I might say yes, because the positive sentiment in the positive risk sentiment in the equity sector helps to drive the demand in oil to the upside. Now, we are on the daily chart, as you can see here, and the pattern usually says Monday to the downside, Tuesday, Wednesday to the upside, Thursday, Friday, even higher. That's the daily chart telling us, or telling me here for now, and that might indicate further positive market sentiment to continue. Looking at the weekly chart, we had seen that earlier in the week here, the market tanked Monday and now is running higher. So similar story on the monthly chart can be seen to basically complement the daily and the weekly chart. And that's now this huge wick we can see here. And this long wick tells us the market earlier in April had already kind of tanked to the downside and is now starting to strengthen further. Positive sentiment, hence off that important support level, and that's the 64 area, might continue, and the upside momentum towards the 68 level could be something important. Stay tuned for further updates in oil. All subscribers obviously get them free of charge here. So that's the market motivation. What else fits better with oil than any company which had been in the news fairly recently? And that company is the one and only Tesla. Now we're talking about Tesla, and share prices have weakened again further. Doji, Elon Musk is leaving Doji seemingly to take care of his own company, seemingly in need as the share price had fallen so far. Technicals, again, supportive trend line looking good for Tesla. We have the 50 moving average also looking good. The market kind of about to rise. If that 230 level is not broken, upside momentum might kind of continue. But the big competition comes from China, and we have been talking about China a fair bit in the recent past. BYD shares have rocked the boat again, have rocked the show again here, and BYD looks extremely positive. The market moving up. I was in Singapore recently in one of these BYD coffee shops. Actually, you get some nice alcoholic beverages there as well. But they took over a chain of craft beer places in Singapore to make marketing for their own brand at competitive prices, kind of subsidized by BYD. Great concept, new ideas in this regards, and potentially further market sentiment. BYD, a clear buy. Oil, looking positive. Tesla, fighting with the current support level, but potentially also making it. Guys, stay tuned. See you then. Take care. Ciao.